So when I went to Good Life Studios, I actually expected that collabo with Radio and Weasel is going to be a fast song, a danceable song, a fun song, as they always were. When I came there, I first met Radio, and he kind of was a little bit reserved, you know, like we didn't know each other first time meeting. And I remember I didn't know how, I was unsure how to act, you know, if you meet a new person, you're strangers, you don't know what can we talk about, what am I going to say. And I remember I just turned to him and I was like, I have my guitar in the boot, can I get it? And he was like, yeah, sure. So I got my guitar and I just started playing my first song that I released, and he listened to it, and then in between I just kept on playing, and I was like, go Radio, just do a freestyle. And he sang his version of Mumulator, and it was just amazing, and we had that connection while doing music. Like, it was so beautiful, him and Weasel jamming on my song. And straight after that he turned around, he laughed at me, and I was like, we're going to the studio. Same day we already starting producing a beat, and we already brainstormed about writing a song. And he just opened up in that moment when we actually jammed on the guitar, and I could feel this is something he loved so much. He loved music, so we just did music, and it was amazing. It was produced by Eliakis in Good Life Studios,
Yeah.
and the writer is Radio himself. I remember how we sat there in front of the studio on the couch, and he just turned to me and was like, if you would get married now, what would you say? What would you want to say to your partner? Because it was not an easy question,
Yeah.
but we just kept on talking about it, and he kept on writing line for line. And what is so special about that song, it came straight from the heart. It's just, we went in that moment, we're like, if we were in that moment, what is going on in our heads? You know, we just put ourselves in there, and it came really straight from the heart. And I also remember when the last time Radio recorded something on the song, he actually started crying because it was so beautiful, and that was the biggest thing ever. Because then I knew, like, this is a song that can reach people if the writer himself can be that emotional, you know, yeah.
Summer day when you walk through the street holding hands, the clouds passing by and it feels like the street never ends. I can see how the sunlight glows in your eyes. After all we've been through, after all of the tears that we cried, See myself in a flashback of time. See me standing and jumping and falling. Your love is a crime. Your love is a crime. It's a crime, 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 crime. Your love is a crime. It's a crime, crime.